We are pleased to show you the 2019 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2, trip odometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.